Here we are at 83 Glades number 3, and we have the fan, which just operates only with pull cords. There are no switches on the wall. That switch only controls the outlet and the light on the nightstand. But for this fan, it's all about good old pull strings. So for lights, that's it. Simple. This pull string is obviously to activate the fan, but the fan has 3 speeds. So if we pull it once, we will be at the highest speed. If you pull it twice, you'll be at the second highest. 3 times, you're going to wind up with the low speed, and then the 4th time, if you pull it all 4, you'll wind up right back to off. So sometimes people think that the switch controls it. It does not. And remember, you have different settings. So you kind of have to wait for it a little bit to know where you are on the speeds. That's the 3rd, and still on, but just the slowest speed. And one last time, that will eventually turn off.